Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice, like this. Then swipe left on the screen to go to the next page. And right here we have screen record icon. Tap on it, then tap on start. And you should see this menu right here. As you can see, the countdown started and the screen is recording now. We can perform some actions. We can also expand this menu, and on it we have a couple of things. We have pause button, we can pause the recording, then we can tap on resume. We have a camera icon. I believe this enables the front camera. Yes, so you can basically record the screen and the front camera. Next we have microphone, so basically we can tap on it and here we can enable the sounds. We have microphone sounds, system sounds, and mic and system sounds. If you select microphone, it's gonna record the sound only from the microphone. If you select system sounds, it's gonna only record the sounds from your phone. And if you select mic and system sounds, it's gonna select or rather record both. And if you of course select mute, it's not gonna record any sound. Next we have this icon, and I believe this is the highlight icon. Yeah, basically you can draw on the screen while recording, like this. And then we have this icon, but it's grayed out. I'm not sure why. Oh, it's a color of the drawing. Never mind, it's not grayed out. So you can basically change the color of the drawing like this. And we have back button. Okay, and once you're done recording, basically let's say you don't want to record anymore, you can tap on stop to stop and save your recording. You will get the notification that the recording was saved. You can tap on it and view your recording right here. As you can see, it's playing. Okay, let's close this. Let's open the quick panel again, and you can press and hold on this icon to open the recording settings, screen record settings, and here we can customize some options. We have a viewfinder size. We can change it from small to large, depends what you like. Next we have resolution, and here you can select the resolution of the recording. You have 1080p and 720p. You can tap on the one you like to select it. Next we have recording time limit. You can tap on it and select the limit for the recording. For example, if you want to record only 5 minutes videos, you can set the limit for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes the recording will stop. And now we have 5 size limit, and here we can select the limit of the size for the recording. So if it's gonna, for example, I'm gonna select 500 megabytes, and if it's gonna reach that, the recording will stop and it won't be recorded anymore because you have a limit of file size. And at the bottom you have record touch points. Basically, if you enable this option and you tap on the screen while recording, you will see the dots under your presses. So basically, whenever you press on the screen, you will get the pointer that you touch the screen right there. And basically that's it. That's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.